Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about this Vasa/UI. This is data table filters, something like this. You might have already seen this in apps like Linear, and this is very useful. I'll be probably be using this filters in all my apps from now on. So imagine if you have a table like this and you want to filter this. You can just click on filter and you can filter by status, and it shows something like status is to do. You can change it over here. You can add two statuses, things like that, and you can clear all the filters over here. But the thing is, you can just add however many you want. So this can be is none of, is any of. So this has like multi-level filters. So the assignee, you can change the operators in the middle, and you can change assignees at the end also. So this is very usable. UX is very user friendly, and this package is actually very powerful. This is Tanstack table package, and it uses this hovers thing, this filters everywhere as its filters. So yeah, try this out. I'll leave the link in the description. Try this out, and it will be useful for both your design projects and your development. Let me know if you want me to redesign this in Figma, just so we have something in Figma also, because I don't think we have something like this in Figma, and I would love to have this for myself. So let me know if you want me to design this in Figma and put it in the Figma community for everyone. And that's it for this video. I'll leave the link in the description. Check it out, and you'll have a fun time with this. Bye bye.